Well, hello there, guys. Welcome to another edition of My Mill Syrup, MI Mill Syrup, whichever one sticks. Honestly, I don't know yet. I am joined today by my cats, Marcy and Ari. You might recognize Ari from the older videos. Marcy, she came from the farm. She's a cute little thing. The other one, he's not around. He's an orange and white cat. Maybe we'll see him in the future. Maybe we'll see him today. I don't know. But, yep, we're just going to show off a little bit more up close and personal. This Smith & Wesson FPC folding pistol carbine. As you can see, it's in the folded version right now. It comes in this nice little carrying case. I'll show you my ammo's in the little bag right there. Comes in this nice little carrying case. I am on the floor today because I haven't had the chance to put together and build my whole gun thing. Just focusing on the baby and everything, getting him all squared away, getting his bedroom all squared away. We've had to completely rebuild this house essentially on the inside. So let's take a good look here at this folding pistol carbine. As you can see, everything happens back there, all that jazz. Not going to hurt you like this, clearly. But the chambers right here, you can see the firing pin in there. Everything just folds together, and it's actually a really impressive system. I am going to get a red dot for her. I haven't decided quite yet what I'm going to do, but I'm going to show off my ARs eventually. You'll see the one I usually pick out. But here's the folding pistol carbine up close and personal. You can see those two magazines in here. They're kind of hard to get at unless you, like, I don't know. This thing is there. You kind of pop right out as soon as you get that spring out of the way. Move it, and so you got like the opposite side of which one you're using. It's just kind of, I don't know. But we're going to show that off just a little bit while I do a little bit of cleaning. So I'm going to pause the video and show off the other one when I'm done. I might show off, how this one looks after it's cleaned, but I doubt it. Not really worth it. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Alrighty, I decided to just show it off. You guys seen it before. My 45. Just kind of get it over with. Show it off. And I wanted to show off kind of the cleaning kit on this. Let me pull it over. This Tysus came with its own cleaning kit in the case. So as you can see in here, I got the original scales that were on it. I had to get the duty one, so it was all black, all blacked out. But I got this parkerized kind of greenish, grayish color. I kind of wanted that M1. Actually, no, I didn't get the duty one. I did get the one that was kind of close to the M1911, but got the bobtail, so it's more like a modern duty rifle or duty pistol. Here's the cleaning kit that comes with it. You get a little swab hook here. Then you get the brush that came with it. The brush is literally, it's just plasticky, bristle, so it's not going to hurt anything. It's not the brass. Just to get that thing cleaned up so that it's respectable design, essentially. Respectably clean, I should say. But that's the cleaning case for it. I'm going to show it off in the old case here, and it came just like that with the black scales. So it comes with a chamber flag and with a lock for your trigger, so nobody can get in there and use it. And then that's the key for the trigger lock. It's in there. It came with the extra magazine. I have that in its own little holster. This one comes with its own magazine, which is the 8-round you've seen before. I decided not to get rid of her. It's worth it to keep around. I kind of like this one. It's expensive and it's nice to have. So, see my hollow points there. Don't have any 9mm that I was shooting. I was shooting the 115 grain 9mm, so the kind of zippy guys. Just putting her through the ringer, essentially. But that's it for today, guys. So like, comment, and subscribe, please. Bye.